Hello there, beautiful people. This is my morning road trip heading to Fujairah, here in United Arab Emirates. Sunrise is one of the most beautiful time in the morning. It is my motivation to start my day right, and for me it means that I have a long way to go. For your information, guys, the weather in Fujairah is better than the other Emirates because of the HELEE mountain surrounding it. This brings enough rainfall to the area so it isn't excessively hot. Geographically, Fujairah has one of the most beautiful landscapes in the country. From here, we will go and see the beauty of Fujairah mountain. This journey will take you through unique rock formations. For beginner trekkers like me, planning ahead is important, guys. It involves considering things like where and when you'll go trekking. Choose a route with minimal elevation gain, which is to say, choose one that's reasonably flat so you don't freak out your body and mind by tackling something overwhelming. Naturally, the fitter and stronger you are, the easier trek will be. Just put in some focused physical training beforehand. Trekking involves challenges beyond just physical endurance, so the more you can reduce the physical challenge, the better. You will then be able to focus on any other challenges as well as simply enjoying the experience. If you plan to buy new boots, about 60% of people have differently sized feet, so always try on both the left and right boots. This is about checking that everything is comfortable and suitable. For instance, finding out that your sock seam is uncomfortable or that your boots are sponges on a low-stakes hike. It is far better than discovering this on the trek because there's nothing you can do about it. Please check the link below for boots if you plan to buy new one, guys. Always remember to train in the shoes you will wear on the trek to ensure that they are comfortable and suitable. It is best to start your day trekking early because it is unfun worrying you won't make your destination before late afternoon. As a beginner trekker like me, aim to walk for no more than 6 hours. You don't want to push yourself too hard. I actually finished back and forth around 4 hours. So for me, it's not bad for a beginner. Take a 5 to 10 minute break every hour. It's important to take regular rest. You're in it for overall experience, right? So take things slowly and rest often. Regular stops are a must, not just for the body but also for soaking in the view. Invest also in trekking poles, guys, because they are great at helping you to stabilize yourself on uneven terrain. They also can help cushion the impact on your knees on step or long descents. That said, one of the nice things about quality trekking pools is that they can be collapsed for easy storage and can also be lightened or shortened to suit your frame. You can also check the link below for trekking pools. One of the most important reminder, guys, please look after your eyes and skin. It is important to protect your eyes and skin while trekking. For your eyes, this means wearing sunglasses. Protect your skin by covering up wearing a sun hat or cap with a wide brim, and using a sunscreen with a high SPF factor. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink little sips often. Electrolytes can be found in coconut water, fruit juices, sport drinks, which are available in the groceries. And of course, eat nutritious food. Obviously, it's important to eat healthy and nutritious food during treks to provide your body with the fuel it needs to keep going. I just want also to emphasize that trekking etiquette is very important. Whether doing a short hike, certain universal rules or etiquettes apply. These are directed at protecting the area and making the trail enjoyable for everyone. Many are just common sense stuff. Just simply avoid throwing your garbage anywhere. And also, guys, it's very important to tell someone when and where you are going. So it's important that someone outside of the trekking party knows exactly when and where you are trekking, as this is what's used by authorities to assess if anyone is missing. So better you stick at a well-marked trail in a properly monitored area. Of course, bring your best camera. Obviously, you want to capture some of the beauty and special moments of the trek. By the way, my best friends in this trek are my Insta360 camera and GoPro, which you can check also in the link below. I thank you guys for watching this video. So if you have questions, reactions, and suggestions, please write it below. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.